One night, Hamza went to sleep and he saw a dream.
As his eyes closed, he found himself standing in a wide green field, brighter and more beautiful than anything he had ever seen. Bullocks, black, brown, and white, were grazing peacefully under the shining sun. Hamza, amazed. Wow, they look so happy together. They eat side by side, share shade under the trees, and enjoy each other's company. The bullocks nudged each other gently, as if laughing and talking like true friends. But not far away, hiding in the forest shadows, a lion watched them with burning amber eyes. Hamza, nervously, "Oh no!"
The lion could not win because they stood united.
Every time the lion tried to attack, the three bullocks stood shoulder to shoulder, horns lowered, protecting one another. The lion roared, but was forced to retreat.
A lion. But together,
The lion
they
was
are
furious. He could not defeat them while they were united. Then, lying under a tree, he thought of a plan. He crept up to the black bullock and whispered softly. Lion,
They
sly
mock
voice.
you behind your back. They don't respect you. You are better alone.
Really? Are they not my friends?
No. Don't.
Black bullock, confused. Really? But we are friends. Lion, smirking. Friends? They only pretend. You would be better off alone. Hamza, shouting, "No, don't listen to him. Stay with your friends." But the black bullock's heart was filled with doubt. Slowly, he walked away from the others. The bond of friendship began to break.
Doubt entered their hearts. Friendship broke. Unity was lost.
Soon, the bullocks no longer ate together. They no longer rested together. Their laughter was gone, replaced by silence. The lion smiled. His plan was working. One hot afternoon, the lion roared and chased the brown bullock. Brown bullock, "Help me, please!"
But no one came. He was gone.
But the others were too far away. The brown bullock disappeared into the dark forest. Next, the lion attacked the white bullock. White bullock, weakly, "I should have stayed close." And the white bullock, too, was defeated. Now, only the black bullock remained. He stood alone in the field, trembling with fear. The lion stepped out of the trees, his eyes glowing with triumph. The black bullock lowered his head in regret, realizing the terrible mistake. The strength of unity was gone, and division had brought defeat. At that moment, Hamza gasped and woke up in his bed. His heart was beating fast.
Just a dream.
Unity is strength.
What a
Division
lesson.
is defeat. Remember, children, together we are strong.
Unity is
Divided, we fall.
We are Naki Kalam Kids Club's member. Have you also got your children to join Naki Kalam Kids Club?